steps originate from the vaudeville years, at which point performers needed to help the musicians, whom they had probably never met before, understand what the tempo should be. These ideas, these consecutive rhythms, these repetitive ideas became known as time steps because they helped to set time. Let's look at the most traditional single, double, and triple time steps. The single time step is going to start with a shuffle. Let me show it to you from the front first. Shuffle, hop, step, releasing of course. Then I'm going to flap, step, releasing to another. Shuffle, hop, step, flap, step, shuffle, hop, step, flap, step. Let me turn around so you can follow me. And again, something to remember is that we start time steps usually on the count 4 or the count 8 if we're counting through to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And that's the single time step. Single because there's one sound after the shuffle hop. Shuffle, hop, step. That's a single sound. That makes it be a single time step. Now let's look at the double time step. We're still going to start with the shuffle, but this time we're going to add a double sound after the hop. Instead of a step, we're going to return with a flap. Watch it from the front first. Shuffle, hop, flap, flap, and shuffle, hop, flap, flap. So remember those flaps we did in place? Make sure that you've been practicing those because you're going to need those to be able to do great double time steps. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Now let's do the triple time step. And again, it's called a triple time step because there are 3 sounds following the hop. Let's look at it slowly. Shuffle, hop. Now 1, 2, 3. And then we continue with our flap step. Shuffle, hop, 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, hop, 1, 2, 3. Shuffle, hop, 1, 2, 3. And I do want to remind you that if the hops are bothering your knees, it's certainly okay to replace them with a heel. In fact, I'll do that this time myself, all right? So that if you're following along and you don't want to do those hops, it's quite all right to lift your body with a heel. Ready? Let's do the triple time steps. 1, 2, 3. And those are the triple time steps.